England, a land steeped in history, culture, and natural beauty, is brimming with wonders that captivate travelers from around the globe. Whether you're drawn to historic landmarks, picturesque landscapes, or vibrant urban experiences, England has something extraordinary to offer. In this video, we'll explore some of the most amazing places in England, from ancient castles and stunning coastlines to charming villages and bustling cities. Number 1. Stonehenge, the enigmatic stone circle. No visit to England is complete without witnessing the enigmatic Stonehenge. Located in Wiltshire, this prehistoric monument is one of the most famous landmarks in the world. Comprising a ring of standing stones set within earthworks, Stonehenge has fascinated historians and archaeologists for centuries. The purpose of Stonehenge remains a mystery. Some theories suggest it was a burial ground, a ceremonial site, or even an astronomical observatory. Regardless of its origins, the sheer scale and symmetry of the stones are awe-inspiring. Visiting Stonehenge provides a unique opportunity to connect with ancient history and marvel at one of the greatest architectural achievements of prehistoric Britain. Number 2. The Lake District, a natural paradise. If you're a nature lover, the Lake District in Cumbria should be at the top of your itinerary. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is renowned for its stunning landscapes, including tranquil lakes, rolling hills, and rugged mountains. The Lake District is not just about breathtaking views, it's also a haven for outdoor activities. Hiking, boating, and cycling are popular pastimes here. The region is also home to some picturesque towns and villages, such as Keswick and Ambleside, where you can explore local shops and enjoy traditional English fare. Number 3. London, a global metropolis. England's capital, London, is a vibrant and diverse city that offers an abundance of experiences. From world-class museums and historic landmarks to trendy neighborhoods and spectacular theaters, London is a city that never ceases to amaze. Start your exploration with iconic landmarks such as the Tower of London, Buckingham Palace, and the Houses of Parliament. The British Museum, with its extensive collection of art and artifacts from around the world, is a must-visit for history enthusiasts. Don't miss a stroll through the trendy areas of Shoreditch and Camden, where you can find eclectic shops, street art, and lively markets. Number 4. Bath, a Roman and Georgian gem. Bath, a historic city in Somerset, is renowned for its well-preserved Roman baths and stunning Georgian architecture. The city's Roman baths are an archaeological site where you can explore ancient hot springs and learn about Roman bathing practices. In addition to its Roman heritage, Bath is famous for its Georgian architecture, epitomized by the Royal Crescent and the Circus. These elegant crescents and squares showcase the architectural splendor of the 18th century and offer picturesque photo opportunities. Number 5. Oxford, the city of dreaming spires. Oxford, home to one of the world's most prestigious universities, is a city steeped in academic excellence and architectural beauty. The University of Oxford, founded in the 12th century, is a collection of colleges, each with its own unique character and history. The city's historic colleges, such as Christ Church and Magdalen College, are open to visitors and provide a glimpse into the prestigious institution's storied past. Additionally, Oxford's charming streets and beautiful gardens make it a delightful place to explore on foot. Number 6. York, a medieval marvel. York, a historic city in northern England, offers a fascinating blend of medieval history and vibrant contemporary culture. The city's rich heritage is evident in its well-preserved city walls, the majestic York Minster Cathedral, and the medieval shambles, a narrow, cobbled street lined with charming shops and eateries. York's history dates back to Roman times, but it is particularly renowned for its Viking heritage, which is explored in depth at the Jorvik Viking Centre. The city also hosts a range of festivals and events throughout the year, adding to its lively atmosphere. Number 7. The Cotswolds. The Cotswolds, a region in south-central England, is renowned for its quintessentially English countryside. Characterized by rolling hills, charming villages, and honey-colored stone cottages, the Cotswolds offer a picturesque escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Explore idyllic villages such as Bibury, known for its classic stone cottages, and Bourton-on-the-Water, often referred to as the Venice of the Cotswolds due to its picturesque bridges and canals. The region is also home to beautiful gardens and historic manor houses, such as Sudeley Castle and Blenheim Palace. Number 8. Windsor, home of the royal family. Windsor, located just outside of London, is famous for Windsor Castle, one of the official residences of the British royal family. The castle, with its stunning architecture and extensive grounds, is a symbol of British heritage and monarchy. Explore the state apartments, St. George's Chapel, and the beautiful castle grounds. Windsor also boasts a charming town centre with shops, cafes, and riverside walks along the River Thames. Number 9. Cambridge, a city of learning and beauty. Cambridge, another historic university city, offers a blend of academic prestige and scenic beauty. The University of Cambridge, founded in 1209, is composed of 31 autonomous colleges, each with its own history and architecture. The city is known for its stunning college buildings, such as King's College Chapel, which features one of the finest examples of Gothic architecture. Take a punt along the River Cam to enjoy picturesque views of the colleges and surrounding landscapes. Number 10. The Peak District. The Peak District, located in central England, is a national park renowned for its diverse landscapes and outdoor activities. From limestone plateaus and rolling moorlands to deep valleys and picturesque villages, the Peak District is a paradise for hikers and nature enthusiasts. Popular spots include Dovedale, known for its dramatic limestone formations and the iconic stepping stones, and Castleton, a charming village surrounded by stunning scenery. The park also offers numerous trails, including the challenging Pennin Way. Conclusion. England's rich tapestry of history, culture, and natural beauty offers something for every traveller. From the ancient mysteries of Stonehenge to the scenic splendor of the Lake District, and the historic charm of cities like Bath and York, the wonders of England are as diverse as they are captivating. Whether you're exploring the bustling streets of London, relaxing in the Cotswolds, or immersing yourself in the academic atmosphere of Oxford and Cambridge, England promises a memorable experience. So pack your bags and embark on a journey to discover the most amazing places in England, each one offering its own unique charm and allure.